My name's Alex Versopoulos and I'm one of the co-founders of Kitche, which is a home food waste reduction app and platform. I'm based in London in the UK and I've been working with RST 5 years now. I came to RST with very little knowledge of what to do next, and what I found is them to be very welcoming for novices in this space like myself, and helping me in a step-by-step from starting with a prototype through an MVP, a minimum viable product, all the way to a fully blown app, which we have. And so I think in those early days, RST proved themselves to be an excellent partner for us and helped us to learn as we grew. And since then, we've been through very many sprints, adding lots of different features to the app, moving from one framework. So we had a native Android app to begin, and then on RST's advice, we moved to the React Native framework so that we could more easily develop across Android and Apple. We've continued to grow and add some very exciting features, and I sit here in the middle of another 3-month sprint with a full team at RST, launching some very new exciting features for the app. So what do I say in summary? I come from a business commercial background, had no experience in the developer world, and I think RST has been fantastic for me in taking me from a one-man startup to a team of 11 of us now, and being very flexible with their approach throughout our life cycle as an early stage startup. And I think that is absolutely why I'd recommend RST to companies out there, which I have done through a couple of other clients that RST now have through me. And I'd highly recommend anyone out there to give RST a call, pick up the phone, and I don't think you'll be disappointed.